Jack. Chat. I know my my audio setup ain't what it used to be. Because I'm on Linux right now and I have to actually manually do everything, so we're gonna have to bear with for a little bit. Yeah, if you're wondering, oh, why don't you just import it? Unfortunately, my desktop environment doesn't support it. Which is a real thing, by the way. So sad, I know. And I think I might have messed up the way my chat looks. It's really small, and I don't know why. I think, actually, one second, maybe if I quickly change something real quick. I think I can just change it real quick. See the link? Or actually, click on the link. I think I fixed it. Anyway. Hi, it's me. Also, by the way, I actually got my, what is it called, my Stream Deck working. Okay, it looks fine on, it looks fine on OBS. Let's go. Yeah, apparently, for whatever reason, Flatpak. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so I made a mistake. I'm going to rectify it right now. There we go. I think we fixed it. So my Stream Deck actually works, which is good news. Very good news, I know. Audio I need to fix myself. I actually have to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Oh, hey Garm, how you doing? It's been a while. And YouTube emotes are actually working now. So fucking stupid. I hope you're doing well. And I think I forgot to do this on my end. I actually think I forgot to install 7TV or any of those emotes. So no more 7TV emotes. I know, an absolute tragedy. My camera looks a bit weird. I know, but this is just 100% Linux. There's not much I can do. So is what it is. Is what it is. I don't think it looks better. I'm trying to play around with it. I didn't want to make it too dark, but like. It's just a process. For content creation, ironically, everything but OBS feels like it's just a general upgrade, which is very, very strange to think about. If you're wondering what I mean, I'll actually show you. Hopefully you can actually see it once I change. Okay, you actually can't see it. It's good. If you look at the control options here real quick, you might notice I'm actually missing a couple features. More specifically, I'm missing virtual camera. And funny thing, does Pizza Tower run better? Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it did. Because apparently, Steam, Valve, has been working non-stop to get SteamOS actually fucking running, getting games running better than on Windows. And in some cases, some games just run better thanks to Proton, which is such a weird thing to think about because imagine running an emulation layer on top of Linux and it running better. I need to play around with different desktop environments because as much as I like what I'm using right now is KDE Plasma, it limits what I can do with OBS. Because I think it was like Hyperland. Maybe what I need to do is just install a completely fresh version of Arch. That's just what I'm using. That's what I'm using right now. I installed a distribution of it, and I actually really like it. I think it's good, but maybe if I just did a clean install of Arch, I think it'd be better. Games, it works well. I think I've actually played games on stream while on running Linux. It works very well. There's literally no problems. The only issue I have is it takes a long time just to compile the shaders. Because all shaders must be pre-compiled. Which is annoying, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Oh yeah, let me actually turn on Nightbot. I think Nightbot should work. Cool. Anyways, I'm gonna play Lethal Company. Alright, that's cool. Nightbot. Oh, I wonder if it still has my playlist. If I log into YouTube, please, please. Yes, I give you access to my account. Burps loudly towards your face. No toy weapons. So unfortunate. I know. Absolute tragedy. I think Star Quest is enabled. Hope it's enabled. It's not telling me if it is. I guess it's enabled. There we go. I know, truthfully exciting. But I guess I'm actually gonna do what the stream title says. And actually show my setup. So for like Linux, this is where I do most of my development on. I don't like what is it called? I don't like. Oh, it's my emulator, right? I started emulating again. Fun. I think me just showing you my like basic setup for like most things I think would be nice. So you understand how like everything works. Everything is highly customizable, so like I'm not limited to what you are not limited to what I show you, and I highly recommend you make a switch to Linux if you can, because everything just runs better. My laptop runs so much better now. Anyway, look at this. Also, one more big downside to streaming on Linux. I can only do a window capture. I can't directly do a game capture. Only game and edit. Well, that's why you should switch to Linux, because everything just runs better. Which is such a weird thing to say. My dinky laptop literally runs so well with Linux now. Oh my god, is that Ostacat? Disgusting, cringe. Also, I love like the hotkeys. I love hotkeys, dude. Oh, does Windows break hotkeys? Oh no, OBS breaks hotkeys. Are you serious right now? Okay, that was weird. Hello, my skibbities. You're gone. This is so sad. This is so sad. Alright, there we go. Also, I do not know why there's so many instances of my chat right now. I could not tell you why this is happening. This is so sad. Anyway, let me show you my setup. So if we do LS, you just see all. Look at that! Everything I have in my desk, my home. It's crazy. Are you a winning son? Yes, I am. Actually, I lied. It's not everything. If I do LS-A, oh my god, there's so many random shit. Oh my god, where do I begin? Well, I'm probably gonna go into my very nice ZHS file. What's it called? Engine .rc, and we get to see. Oh look, this is how I use my terminal. That's it. That's literally it. This is how my fucking terminal's colored. I might do some light coding. I mostly want to draw for right now, so I can actually fix my setup, my branding. If you see in the bottom of my Kodium auth, I'm just too lazy and keep forgetting to actually authorize my computer. The French language Linux package, of course. I actually don't think I have it installed. I think I only have English installed. I can install it, but I'm not. That's nice, but what if? You couldn't ping me. So sad. Oh yeah, speaking of which, guys. I finally got intermission working again, and look. I got a little guy dancing over there. Look at that. Hanger. Look at the little pen. Hello. Oh, what language was that? This is actually, I'm pretty sure, just Bash. This is all just Bash right now, because this is the .zshrc file, or this could, or in most cases, if you're running Linux, you're probably just using standard Bash, which I will show you right now. Is nvim, what is it called? .bash rc. But I don't use. But I don't use Bash. I use a different terminal layer called ZHS. That's why I have this right here. Let me actually be a Vim user. It's been a while, so yeah. So you have ZHS right here. I'm using a custom color profile with the Ghosty terminal. I'll show you my actual setup right now. This is me basically Also, by the way, you actually wrote the command wrong. So, let me go to mkdir makes a new command, and if I do funny cd input cd funny. So what you did actually, is sudo rm-rf. You know what this does? Do you know what this command does? I'm just curious. This is important. I don't even need sudo. You wanna know why? Because this will only remove what's ever in this folder. At least you're in the 31st of March? I'll try. No. This deletes everything, force. What you gave me deletes everything in this folder. It elevates this command to root and deletes everything within this folder. If I remove this dot, it'll delete everything on my OS. So obviously, I'm just going to remove it now. Don't believe me? Okay, one sec. Touch. Fuck you. Touch. Fuck you. Fuck you. Alright, there we go. Now if I do ls. Oh, look at that. Fuck you. And if I do rm-rf and I do dot star, you sure want to delete the only file? Yes. Are you sure you want to delete the only file in funny? I could have just hit no. For the sake of the joke, I will hit no. And I will make what's it called? I'll make a file called I'm gonna touch I'm gonna touch Ostacat. If you look at that, fuck you, Ostacat. Alright, to make a new file in Linux specifically, you have to use the touch command. If we do man touch, will actually give us, what is it called? It will actually give us the manual to what touch does. Update access modifies the time of each file, current file, argument file, mandatory. You can just create files using touch. And it just tells you everything, and it goes from there. So now I have 2 files, and if I run that command again, are you sure you want to delete all 2 files? No files. Use temple like a real gentleman. So true, so true. I have to learn Holy C. By the way, I actually started teaching myself C programming. Some people call me a masochist, but honestly speaking, it's such a fun language because of how simple it is. Which is such a weird thing because people will probably if you hear someone talk about C, they'll probably talk about how complicated it is. It is not complicated. That is the amazing part of C. It is so simple with what you can do with it. It gives you such a simple set of tools. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna remove funny now. By the way, with any folder, you have to do RF. Funny. So now if I was, let me actually show you my config nvim, which by the way actually is which is updated through my GitHub. Somewhat is more complicated in C. Let me use real talking about Java. I'm right now practicing C. I think I pulled one of my projects. I'm not gonna do it now because my real name is attached to my GitHub. But I probably will be showing off my card engine. Actually, no, I can probably show it off now. That's funny, Ostacat. So like this is my NeoVim setup. If I do ls, you can actually just show you. This is just what I have. Don't ignore lazy lock. It's something it just doesn't work anymore. I should probably delete it, but I'm lazy. So if I just do nvim dot, will put me through the file directory, and I'm able to just browse through my my config. This is all written in Lua, by the way. So here you can actually just see what is it called? Very basic. I just have a couple configuration files. That's it. This is important because things have to be done in order. So obviously you want your remap first, then you want to configure your package manager, which I have is the lazy package manager. I'll show you a little more about it soon. Then we have my LSP. If you're wondering what my LSP does, I'll show you in a second. And we have my theme. I didn't have this originally, but I added it in because I started using something called Norg. I'll go into that in a second. It's if you ever heard of org mode in Emacs, it's essentially that on NeoVim. I know, very exciting. So, excuse me, sorry, this is something so my LSP. So let's say I require, and I can just do Control N and then hit Control Y, and then I'm able to type in whatever I want from there. Also, I like to keep things consistent. I'm not in there we go. I just like to keep things consistent. There's this doesn't change much, so if I just W and then go PV, that's just a custom command I have. I'll just run through it. So my plugins. This is what my LSP does. So like everything that you see here. So if I just do and I just do import, yeah, so if I see that, you see that little thing? This is what Blink does. This is entirely what Blink does, and I didn't know I was still in insert mode, that was my mistake. And this is just copy and pasted from the GitHub. I think the most important thing about when you're doing configs is you don't need to be crazy about it. This is just the default configs, because honestly speaking, I don't want to do anything crazy. Why are you in his walls? Get out of his walls. Get out of his walls. Get out of his walls. Yeah, so... Oh, it's weird. Okay, that was weird. So if I'm pressing leader PV, it brings me to back to this, which is really nice. We have Codium. This is my autocomplete. This is my color scheme. Oh, I'm using a different color scheme. Oh, I thought... Right! I remember now. I did... I updated on my laptop. I think I pushed all my changes to my desktop. Again, I'm not gonna pull here. My color scheme. I'm using Capuchin, but I think I'm gonna stick with this actually. What? This is my actual LSP. It's several different things, but again, it's not like crazy. It's very basic. And Mason is probably the most interesting config, because if I do that, it shows everything that I have installed. All language servers that I have installed. I'm probably going to remove Java because I'm not using Java anymore. It's Java's. And Tree Sitter is for my color scheme. So whenever you see anything highlighted, that's because of Tree Sitter. The telescope is actually, I don't use it too much. I need to use it more often. But let's say I want to find some files. So we do what's it called? Leader, which is space for me. PF. I can just look for files. I can just look for any file. So I want to go back to LSP config. I can go to lsp.lua. I'm back here. So let me go back to telescope. This is also works on Git, which is nice, and PS. I forgot what that does. I'm not figuring what that does. PS. Oh, this is a grep command. I'm going to escape out of that though. Essentially, if I want to search for anything specific, I can just do grep, and it will actually bring me to whatever I search for. Which is nice. For my config, so it's just 4 files. Some remaps and some basic things like line numbering. This is what allows me to have that. Sorry about that. If you see how my numbers look, it's because it's relative. It will change. It will tell me how many is away. So if I have too much white space, I don't like this. So what I do is I go down 1, and I do. Oh wait, no, sorry. I go up. Sorry, I go up back to the line. I go D and 7. I press enter, and it removes all that white space for me. It deletes all those lines, which is nice. WQA quits and writes everything. Since I didn't change anything, it's fine. Pardon me. And for my terminal, I actually have a custom color scheme that I got for myself. If I do this twice, yes, it actually brings me back home. And if I ever wanted to go back home, I should have actually just done this. This is your home directory. Cool, thank you. I'm trying. So then, I don't know why I did ls. So I'm just gonna clear it up to make it, give myself more space. And I think I have, what is it called? I think it's cd.ghosty. I think it's in here. No, this is the actual build file to Ghosty. This is not what I'm looking for. cd, I think it is actually just under my config. Config, and I think it was Ghosty. There we go. I think it's here. Yes, so for Ghosty, I have a custom config. And actually, here's a cool thing. If I do cat config, it can just show you the the entire color scheme right here, which is nice. This removes the title bar because I don't like having a title bar. I just like looking at the screen. If you're wondering what I mean by title bar, if I do my my meta, or I guess in this case Windows key for Windows users like you nerds, in page up, it will just bring it back down. And this is not supposed to be here. That's not supposed to be there. That's actually really weird. Okay then. Because this is supposed to hide it. Strange. Yeah, well, I can just do something cool and just hit with an exit. Oh no, what am I gonna do? And I go back here, and that's not supposed to be there. That's really weird, actually. What the hell? Yeah, this is not supposed to be here right now. The fuck happened? Why did it change all of a sudden? I'm actually so confused. Average Linux experience, just when you think you what, figured everything out. Okay, go see, so we have to do a cool, funny thing. You know what that is? Go into the, oh yeah, I forgot. I just reinstalled Firefox. I'm using Florp right now, which is not a derivative, but it's a modified version of Firefox, open source by some Japanese company, and honestly, I like it a lot better. So what I could do is ghosty.org, application, configuration. I think it's not overview. Here we go. So the title bar. Find it. Here, team. No, that's not what I'm looking for. 70 matches, really? Oh, title. No. Title bar. I think I want this one. Did I copy it? I think I did. What? That is my link to oh wait. That was my link. Fuck. Instinctively to... Wait, let me try this again, because it should not be, I'm gonna do true. It feels like ghosty. What? It just launched another instance of ghosty, okay. Nope. This is weird. Oh, validate config, this one I want. Ghosty, and then I do plus validate config. Close it. Launch it again. Alright, well, my config decided to break for whatever reason. This is so sad. I don't know why it's acting up like this right now. It should not do that, but hey, whatever. I guess we'll live without it. I think once I restart my computer, it'll be fine, but still, that's really weird that that's happening. Oh well, it's fine. So, I wasn't gonna program today, but... Actually, let me see if I think it was CD projects, pardon. Huh. I don't think I have anything left. Alright, so never mind actually. I might do some light programming. So let me actually show you my poker engine. Average programming stream. real. I feel like sodding right now. What's that? Oh, someone texted me. If it was my girlfriend, I need to respond. So, excuse me. I want to ship up. Never mind. Alright, whatever. So I guess I'm just gonna do and then dot. Oh yeah, ironically, here's something funny. I actually did try Emacs. I will talk about that later, or might show it off soon, but I was just not having that much fun. GF situation crazy. I know, I've been so fucking engrossed with everything. I've been neglectful. We're in a fantastic relationship right now, but still, my point still stands. I think what I might have to do is actually, I actually might have to pull things, because I've definitely changed some things. I will show what I've done, though. The last time I've done this. Alright, so basically... So from here, I actually, I'm trying to do this as vanilla as possible, as in, like, I'm not using, like, ChatGPT, I'm not using, like, code completion. All I'm doing is using my knowledge to get this done. And I'm actually super impressed with how far I've gone and how well I handled list. I do need to, I did fix these. I don't know why I did that originally, but I did definitely fix them. So I think it would actually be better if I do PV and go to cards. And this is a standard 52 deck. So basically, if you know anything about programming, this is as close as we're gonna get to something called a struct. Bravo, AVR. Thank you. This is as close as we're gonna get to a struct. A struct is essentially the closest thing to an object, but since this is Python, it actually just is an object. But it's usually by reference, and it just makes variables. And so in this case, what I've done is I have made 2 enum classes, which enums are just 1-bit values. You know, a little coding? Alright. I'm just saying it because I think it'd be better if I explain it more, because I know most people who do watch these streams don't know anything about programming, like, whatsoever. Like Pascal. Okay, I actually do need to explain stuff to you anyway. So, press control, whoops. So, so enum is something you have to import, but it's also built in. Same with data class. And, random. So right now we have 2 enum classes, which are the suits, right here. And then we have the faces, which are right here. And for the data class, this is, all it is just the face in the suit. That's all it is. And from here, we have a deck. And if you don't know how classes work in Python, they're a bit strange, because I guess like when like working in Java, for instance, you have to give it default values, and you do the same thing with Python, but you do things a little differently, because the way you do it is you initialize it by doing by making a function called, any def is a function, by the way, define dunder in it, or double underscore in it, and it takes self. So in this case, what it's doing is it's taking itself, which is a deck, and all it does, also, let me first, it's creating an empty list called deck, and for faces in face, and for suit in suit, in it, bruv, what it does is, I should probably actually just do something like that. There we go. So I can show you more effectively, show you more what I mean. this right here, if I do V, this right here, this one will, what is it called? All it does is append the suits. That's all it's doing. There's like nothing it's doing, it's just combining the cards and then it randomly shuffles it. That's what happens when you call this variable. I'll show you what's it called, how it looks in use. Within the deck, we have a popping function, which all it does is return itself, but popping from the list. That's all it's doing. And so if I move on, this is not within the class, but this is but I feel like I should have left it in there. This is because all it's doing is entirely sorting the cards. So for instance, if I sort the suit by suit, this is definitely over-engineered because I'm using a switch case, or in Python case, it's called match. And what it does is it oh wow, I haven't looked this in a while. So what it does is it organizes it in a separate suit. It, for whatever reasons, puts in a list, makes another list called sorted hands. I did not have to do this actually. I'm looking at it right now and I already see some optimization because this does not have to be done. But it works, so I'm going to leave for now. And while suits is not empty, all it does is find the maximum amount of suit, put it in the list, and then continue. I actually could, looking at it now, all I could do is actually just append it. That's what I might do. Oh, by append, I mean you can just, in Python, for instance, you can just do some list plus some list, and it will like combine two lists together. So, looking at my mistakes, I'm just going to ignore it for now, and it will return the sorted hand. This is specifically by suit. Sorting for cards? Sorting by face is actually much easier because I just have a very basic anonymous function, or in Python's case, lambda function. What lambda does is just makes an anonymous function. Excuse me. Yeah, I remember how to navigate Vim. So it just makes an anonymous function, and what this function does is return the value of the face. And if we saw earlier, I think it was GG. What is it called? 2 is equivalent to 1, 3 is equivalent to 2. The reason why I did this is because ace is the highest card, which is 13. So go back all the way to the bottom. You would see that all it does is find the max card, sort that, what is it called? Sort the hand itself. Append to the sorted hand, and remove from the max card, and just keep looping. And returns the sorted hand. I know, very nice. And there's a reason why it's set up like this, I'll tell you about later. So for instance, when I go to poker, I could... Pardon me. So basically, what I just established some what is it called? Some functions for it. So for dealing, this is specifically for dealing. What is it called? For dealing 2 cards. That's it. That's all it's doing. For flopping, this is dedicated for, believe it or not, what is it called? When 3 cards are placed, what it does is it pops a card. This is how it's done in poker. It pops a card, and then it what is it called? It plays 2 cards, and it appends to the table and returns the table itself. The table is its own list. The turn is the second and third time a card gets revealed in poker. So it pops an additional card and returns the pop card. I'm going to skip win conditions now because it is not what we're looking for. What I want to do is that, and then so then there we go. Let me see. So now if we go into our main function, by the way, this is how main functions ABR content coming in 2052. I'm literally talking about what I made. Relax. Relax, big man. This is how main functions are in Python. You could have a dedicated function called main, but for whenever you're doing testing specifically, this is what you want to do. This essentially means that when you're specifically calling this file name in Python, it will register this little if statement. So if I what's it called Python with a different file, and this was included, this dunder name equals dunder main. That means it won't be called. It'll only be called when this is the only file being called. What is it called? Compiled. Interpreted. My bad. This is not a compiled language. So very basic. All it does is print the deck. So once this happens, I'm just gonna show you again. If I go to cards, win conditions, once that happens, it literally go back up here. It literally initializes this function we have right here. So these 2 things are initialized. Go back to poker. And after that, I did have some extra print statements, but I didn't really need them. So very basic. I also have 2 functions dedicated for. Sorry, I have 2 calls for printings. This is a 2-player game, so it's not like I have to do a lot. So all it does is call this original function, which is deal hand, which I showed earlier. It prints the hand. It does the flop. So then we initialize the table with the flop, and then we append the turn, and we append the turn again. This is the I think the river is what it's called. This is specifically for testing this comment. And so then it shows the cards after the. Oh, sorry about that. And after that, it goes through the check win function. The check win function has a couple of bugs. I think I actually have it labeled. There we go. Okay, so I actually think I do have it labeled. So yeah. I have a bug with straight. I think something's wrong. I think there actually is just something wrong with it, and I need to add a 2 of a kind and a royal flush, which is much harder than it sounds. But I think I actually do have a 2 of a kind ready. I'm not sure. Let's check again. Because I updated it on my laptop a while ago, and I think I just forgot to do it on my computer now. So it is what it is. And maybe I can pull it. I'm not sure. It is a public library, but again, my full name's attached to it, so I'm not gonna show it off. My full name's attached to it because it's literally this is my resume, by the way. This is a part of my resume. Alright. So basically, it goes through. So we initialize full house. There's a reason for that. And so then, we check pairs first, which is really strange, I know. But it will make sense. It will make sense. So if there's a 4 of a kind, it automatically just returns true and then says, hey, okay, player got 4 of a kind. If there's a 3 pair, it doesn't immediately return the fact that there is a 3 pair. What it does is it checks to see if there's a full house. Because the hierarchy, at least in this case, is 4 of a kind, then full house. I'm gonna say, if you played Balatro, you definitely know by now. Alright, so then, what? Then it was called a full house. This is just for printing purposes, for debugging, so you can ignore these 2 lines specifically. Like these 2 lines specifically. And just focus on the last line right here. Balatro. Yeah, this is making Balatro, but the actual game. So then, for straight, all it does is it checks the order of the cards. I have a problem with it. It should be much easier than it should be like a very simple process, but for whatever reason, it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, I'll check in a moment. And then we have a straight function, and returns true straight. Flush, same thing with that. Flush is interesting because I think I did something very special with it. And then we do the pairs, 3 of a kind, 2 of a kind. And oh, I guess I didn't do sorry, a three of a kind pair. I guess I didn't do 2 of a kind. Mistake. Oh, actually, I'm wrong. I did do 2 pair. I didn't even notice. Huh. I guess I already finished that. I didn't even notice. No, maybe I forgot about it. It's been a while since I've actually worked on it. I've updated a couple things, but I haven't actually worked on it in a while. So we do PV, and I go to win conditions now. This is where all the functions for my win conditions are. And so all it does is just importing the deck. So for straights, all it does is it checks. What it's supposed to do is it's supposed to sort the cards. And if the length of cards is, if I is less than the length of cards, it's pretty simple. If it's not true, then it won't update this. It will ignore it. So what this is supposed to do this is literally supposed to do. It's supposed to check the value of the card and return it. Technically speaking, you can just check if the faces are equal, but I think it's just easier to do a numerical value. So if the card's 2, then it'll compare it to the next card, see if it's 2. Oh, my bad. I'm thinking of what's called pairs. This is straight. So it checks the value of the card and adds 1 to it. I think I see where my problem is immediately, because... No, actually no, if it's an ace. I actually have an idea. I actually know how to fix aces now. Wow. Because now we have an integer overflow. Because if I add 1 to it, and the next card's an ace, it'll be a 14. That's impossible. But if this is an ace, and next card is a 2, that's a problem. See the issue we're having here? Technically speaking, that actually wouldn't happen. But what I need to do is create a sorting algorithm. Sorry, not sorting algorithm. A searching algorithm that what is it called? Checks to see if there's 5 cards in consecutive order. Technically speaking, what I have right now is correct, but it's not looking at edge cases right now. So technically speaking, if the card is an ace, I would have to treat it like a 1 or a 13. And it's kind of hard to do. So, I think what I could do is actually add a conditional statement where, technically speaking, if, what is it called? So, I'll show you what I mean by that. So, so technically speaking, when this starts, what I have to do is if, what is it called? Where is it? Cards. Oh my god, right. Cards. Control Y. Cards of I is equal to. Oh, actually, forgot. I have to do one more thing. I have to actually make another thing. Also, let me check the meme that you sent me. I'm gonna check on my phone first before anything. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Alright, I get to hit you with the intermission real quick. I'm trying to figure out what the hell I just looked at. I have no idea who's watching the stream right now. I'm so engrossed in programming. We're doing real. Alright, this is literally what I'm looking at right now.
You no come back ever!
This is weird. Just gonna exit out. Alright. My, why did not unpause? Alright, whatever. Where's my chat? Chat. I don't get it. It's Family Guy reference. So if card is equal to, cards dot base is equal to I think it was like what base dot ace. There we go. Technically we can do a conditional value where actually wait, no, it's not. So we can do a conditional value where ace value, I'm just going to set it to 0 for instance. If so then start set my fucking stiff as hell right now. So then ace va oh my god, I forgot, it's control Y is equal to 13. I think it was a question mark, I think. If cards of I minus, I actually have to add this real quick, one sec. I don't know, I have no idea, I just plug in a random playlist. Sure, this works. How you doing, man? Just doing some basic coding. So I'm gonna just make that. I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to do this. Let's code. Oh, this is a personal project. and cards of minus. No, come on. I have to change that. Actually, it should be greater than 0. Actually, this will always be greater than 0. Also, go in cart and cards of I. Let me redo myself. And cards of I -1. So base. I think it was like equals. I think it was 2. So base dot 2. Goes like else. I think I had something like that where I returned a value. Let me actually Google this real quick because there's a way to do like conditional values for Python. Python conditional values. Oh, variables. That's what I was looking for. I'm pretty sure there's a itinerary. I think it's what I'm looking for. Oh, okay, then yeah. What I actually am doing is correct. All right. Else equals 1. Actually, how would I do this? I think I might actually need to rewrite the entire straight function. Because even if I do this right now, it's still incorrect. Else 1. So technically, what this entire line is doing, all it does is checks if the face is an ace, and if it is, it'll keep the value of 13. Only if the card is not... Oh, actually. Actually, maybe I should do this differently. Cards of value is... Oh, wait, no. That was my mistake. King. There we go. So, what this isn't doing is it checks the length of the deck and makes sure first thing it does is make sure if it's what excuse me, if it makes sure if it's what there's cards in it. I might not even need this now I'm looking at how the code is written, but like if it's a king, then it'll keep its value of 13, else it'll be 1. The entire point of this line is to see if I can fix the bug with aces, because aces should be counted as 1 or 2. So 1 or 13. Meaning that if you can go from what is it called? What was it 10 jack king ace? 10 jack queen king ace. That's straight. What's also a straight is ace 2 3 4 5. That's also a straight. So I guess what I actually could do is instead of what is it called? Instead of doing what I have right now, this is probably going to be really weird. What actually is possible... Turn the left card into the right card. Actually, no. What I realized what I could do is I could actually just do this very easily now that I think about it. So, sorry about that. I'm just. So, let me tell my headphones. So, technically speaking, what I actually could do is I could actually make not a dictionary, but I can actually just do a loop that goes through the values of the face class of the face enum, but do it so where it starts with ace, and then it will change its value. Then it will change its value back all the way back down to 2, and it will check again. It will check itself again after. So, how would I do that exactly? I'm not exactly sure. But, technically speaking, all I have to do is, I think there is a contains function. So if I go to like, what's it called? Python contains, I think it literally is a function. Oh yeah, literally, yeah. If in blank, then yeah, it could work. So I guess what I could do is have a function that literally just starts. So change it to where it's. Let me actually. Just. Oh right, I forgot. I don't have Nova automatic comment button. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be great, guys. This is so much fun. Well, actually, wait, no, I just realized something. Shift V? No. Shift V? No. Oh, Control V, that's what it was. Control V. Visual block. And I just hit I, and then R replace, and then I just do this little comment button, and look at that, I did it. So then what I could do is let's go if cards if the face ace is in. Ooh, wait, no. Oh, actually, no, that works. No one actually doesn't. Because actually, now thinking about it, what I'm gonna be doing is, because I can't look for the card itself. So so this is wrong, unfortunately. Let me see. String split, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, wait, no, better idea. So, technically speaking, I actually would have to do for cards in cards. cards. And this is just dedicated to see if for card in cards. This is dedicated for this. So if face.ace y is equal to what is it called? Card. And then I guess what we could do here is actually just have a value set, like have a dedicated ace value. Or no, I can just do I can just do this. I think it'll be what is it called? So no, not ace. So if so what this is doing is actually, I think I will. I have an idea. So it'll be ace, and I'm just gonna have that as a. Can I just do? Cool. Is that allowed? That is allowed. Okay. Nice. So ace, and then that means if true, then ace is equal to true, and then we can just break out of here, break out of the loop. So from here, and I guess we could also. What is it called? For the sake of it, and dot append card. That was a bit weird, but this is like at least my thought process for right now. So from there, we want to straight's so fucking weird. Goddamn ace, ruining everything. Sorry, I'm just like thinking right now. What I have will not work. Also, I don't know why my mouse does that. It just enlarges. It should not do that. This actually wouldn't work. I just spent all this time doing nothing. Welcome to programming, fellas. God, I love programming. So what I would want to do, I'm not even drawing. I was gonna draw a little earlier, but I'm not gonna matter. How am I gonna do this? This is so weird. What I'm gonna do is, for now at least, I will undo everything that I've made. Even this. Because again, I have to rewrite this entire thing, but I really cannot think of how to do it now because the ace value is really fucking me up. technically speaking, what we could do is actually just loop through it twice, where the ace value is 0 and 0 and 13. And honestly speaking, that might not be the worst idea. Because, here's something fun about programming. Most things, usually you don't know how big the thing is. How big the list is, or data structure. We don't know how big it is. It could be millions of objects, or a couple. Thankfully, this is poker, so the max size we're ever gonna get is 7. That's it. Nothing more. There is literally nothing more we're gonna get. Only 7. So technically speaking, everything I do right now is constant time. It'll be slow, yes, but that's for optimizing later, and I don't want technical debt. So here I am trying to figure out the best way to do it. And this is clearly not the best way to do it. Technically speaking, I'm just trying to think through right now. I really don't know. This is so annoying. You know what is cool? Python. Checking for straight in poker hand. That is a lot of words, and I don't think it's working. This is fun, guys. I know, right? Silver Blight series? Not familiar. No, I haven't seen that one. I've seen a couple. I realized I didn't using Google while signing in, and I actually started panicking. Yeah, this is not helping me at all. So, that's what I could do is look at how they do it over here. So, I guess it was straight. Check flush, check hand, check straight flush. This is actually way easier than it looks. I don't know why they put so much. Oh, this is other hands. Oh yeah, literally check check flush hand and check straight flush. That makes sense. Check straight. So values in I0 for I in hand. All right, makes sense. That's literally just how it works. All right, so for V values, all right, so rank values. Value range. If max values equals. I haven't watched any horror recently, honestly speaking. I've been mostly watching just long form like content. Just kind of boring in my opinion. I recently found a video, a 4-hour long video of like Disco Elysium, and he actually talks about Disco Elysium. Oh. Oh. That is actually interesting. I didn't know I actually could just hard code it. Actually, wow, I actually didn't think about that. Literally hard coding it. That actually works. So technically speaking, what I could do So technically speaking, actually everything I have here actually works. Technically. I will make that. So I will just do that. Hard coded with low case shit. So then technically all I actually have to do is if what is it? I just make a list actually. So all of you done? You're in fact beyond salvation. Why is Joseph Seed telling me this? I'm just a college student, man. I'm just trying to have fun. Please leave me alone, Joseph Seed. For Far Cry 5. How are you doing? So then in this case I actually could just do I'll put you in my bunker if you ain't ever gonna see the light of day. This is so sad. I think I'm just gonna hit you with the intermission. Look at that. What you gonna do about it? I have a little guy dancing. You can't stop him. He's unstoppable. Please tell me it worked. It did work. Okay, I was actually petrified I didn't have OBS open. That's right. Ream and weep, fellas. Ream and weep. Oh wait, actually, four. Card in, and I will just make an what? I will make a dedicated list for this. And oh, whoops! I realized I had this in the wrong place. E1. There we go. Fixed. Solved. Ever been slapped by a wet spaghetti? No, actually, I haven't. Honestly speaking, have not. I will also just. Is it I? No, I will also set I equals 0 here. I equals 0. For card in face what face dot. I will just the yank face dot face dot ace p p p 5 face dot 2 tell us this, dude. Yeah, I was gonna see. I was gonna do drawing earlier, but I haven't because some people earlier wanted me to code. Now I'm in the coding mood. Jeez. Am I crazy right now? I have. Wait, that's not right. 4. It's not 5. Okay. W and I'm just gonna TV. I just want to make sure I'm not like going crazy right now. Okay, I'm not going crazy. My fucking LSP is just acting up. This is fun. So if I want you to remove a word and placing the exact same word back and then changing it, it's so much fun, right? It's so much fun. I'm glad you're enjoying it. This is all. This is what programming is. Card and card. Yeah. Card. I want to have an aneurysm. So sorry for you. If card is in equals cards. Continue. Actually, no. I will have count equals 0. Count equals plus equals 1. And then if count is equal to 5, then return. Oh yeah, we have to do that. Fuck, did you know? If cards and cards, then hand. Also, I will set hand equals that. Do you know bread tastes better than key? Real. I agree, actually. I actually do agree with that. Hand up. And card. Why? Then turn. What is it called? Hand. Oh wait, actually, this is stupid. I actually don't need that. If when, oh my gosh, hand is equal to 5, return hand. True. We're in a worm. Damn, I wish I was in a worm blanket. So sad. Never be like that. I think I actually fixed how streaks are supposed to work now. I think there might be a couple bugs still, but even still, I fixed the hard-coded issue of what's it called, of the low ace. I just hard-coded the fix. I think that's actually the best way for me to do it. All right, I'm gonna stop for now. Just stop for now, actually. We're going to hack into class. Yes, real. I'm actually going to draw, finally. Oh, no, I actually do hack. Draw, I got my fucking thing. I unfortunately am no artist. Well, I say I'm no artist. I've made a comic. I don't update it anymore, but my branding actually revolves around my comic, which is kind of funny. Oh, and you want to see something funny? I'm not sure if who's even active anymore. Actually, you want to see something funny? Here is my my paper. What paper? It's my algorithms notes. This is what I used for my algorithms. This is what what's it called? The written notes we're allowed to bring in for algorithms. I realize you cannot even see what's written. I'm sorry, but this thing is 42 pages long. Can we turn it off for a second? Is it legible? Not really. Let me also turn off the other light. We're inside my closet. This is 42 pages long. And when I told someone that, do you know what they told me? Do you know what they told me? That's it. That's it. Apparently people were printing out what was it called? Like sorry, not pages. People were printing out literal textbooks, and there was no way it would have helped them. You want to know what the funniest part is? I actually ended the course with a fucking B+. I literally thought I was gonna get like a C, because that's unfortunately all I could have gotten. Like, to pass the class, I actually did the math. For me to fail the class, I need to get... I would need to get a 22 out of 250. So basically, I would need to get my own name incorrect. Sorry. So I'm actually just setting up what's it called, the drawing. It's gonna be 20 by 1080, and the resolution is supposed to be 72 pixels per inch. That's what you're supposed to do for webs, by the way. So if you're ever doing anything for what's it called, if you're ever drawing for anything, you actually need to set it to 72 ppi or pixels per inch. You should do Hangman. Whoever wins it gets exit your base. That's fucking ridiculous. Why would I ever let him do that? So, I'm not too used to the Krita workflow just yet. I am using Krita right now, and it works flawlessly, usually. Oh, my color is actually white. That's why. And it actually works very well with my mouse. I think I do need to go to, I think, settings? Settings, I think. I need to... I don't remember. There was like a way to change the pen settings. This is so sad. If you try Extra, I think I have it pre-installed actually. So you should try to draw a muscle man. I read that wrong. I don't know how I managed to read that. I really am dyslexic. This is so sad. Master toolbars. Oh, configure Krita. My bad. There it was. Canvas. No, not that one. Oh, tablet settings. There we go. I want to actually move that one. Here, the edge. Here. Go. Okay. I will go and fix that a little bit. Super crap fetch XP Aldocious. Real. There we go. Okay. Don't want to slam my size. Yeah. And bring it back down to 50. Don't mind having a seizure. Real? Whoa. I don't know why it's not allowing me to do it by, oh, there we go. I have to right click 20. Alright, so, I just want to remake my chatting scene, because there's nothing here. And also, I need to figure out what I'm going to do for my stinger, because I'm trying to change my branding completely. So I guess I'm going to try to do what I did earlier and just revamp my chatting scene by adding a little chat window over here. Okay. Chat window over here. I'm going to add a little I do think that not having straight lines does just add to a little bit of character. Right. So basically, now I just want to add in, I guess, eyebrows here. Yeah, do you... What's it called? Geosucceed. Do you even know my comic? Or no? The Jonkler versus Hank versus Man and Woman. Why did I read that out loud? Why did I read that out loud? I'm just gonna have eyebrow, tall guy. Already in character. Lie down. I'm drawing the background. I'm drawing on the background. I fucked up already. You should you should be embarrassed of yourself. Why would you read it out loud? Why is my own chat judging me? You're the one who typed it out. So. Crit a break on me? Okay then, that was weird. That's us Charce again. Let's go on a different little layer. I know, insane stuff. So glad I'm good at drawing. I have Rona, but you're the one who read it, including the person who entered 10 minutes ago. This is so sad. Why am I still doing it? I should just quit while the iron's hot. Alright guys, that's it. I give up. I'm retiring. I feel bad because one of my viewers like, "Hey BR, you better be funny today." He had a dream. And dreams are so fucking weird. I don't think I've ever had a normal dream in my life. I'm not trying to make myself sound special, but every dream I have is like a fucking roller coaster. I'm not saying that. That's an insane line. I'm above average in drawing. I want you to repeat that statement real quick. I'm above average in drawing. I think I'm okay at drawing, but like if I'm comparing myself to other artists, nah. Hey Nico, why'd you tell me to study Spanish? I'm not studying Spanish. If anything, I'll study a language I'm like genuinely interested in. I'm like low-key interested in learning Mandarin. I have to start with probably Hebrew first, because I think it makes sense. Anyway. Yeah, this is my drawing ability. A happy little guy. Just a happy little guy. Oh, he's an angry little guy. It's funny because the owl was green. Like, stupid Duolingo owl. I hate Duolingo. There's two giants. I'm not reading the rest of that message. I'm not reading the rest of that message. Why are you like this? Oh, nothing. You know, everything's okay. Oh, is there a selection tool? Oh, is this literally it? Oh, wait, actually. Okay. Oh, look at the wrong layer. The wrong layer, actually. So what I want to do is go here. Burger. And add in, I think just white. It'll fine. If I just do that. Um. Now, if I control D, no, I don't know how to escape from the. I don't know how to do this. How do I literally? Oh, D, so Control Shift A. Okay. Burger me when Bogor. I just do. Oh, I can do that. Okay, I didn't have to select anything. That's actually kind of nice. I'm just gonna do a quick once around 10. I realized I was on the completely wrong layer. No, I did not. Was it? Where is it? F fill. Right. Okay. Why did I change the? All right. Did it again. Sure here. Sure. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hey things. Yeah. Yeah. It's funny because I took Mandarin back in high school. I remember a little bit how pronunciation works. A destroyed nerd. Or Hongshu. I think I pronounced that wrong. Xiao Hong. Yeah, I think I actually did pronounce it correctly. I think I did pronounce that one correctly. I'm not. No, stop, please. I'm begging you, stop. Here. ABR low taper fade when? I actually had a low taper fade last time I got a haircut on my campus. It's kind of funny. I should just like shave off all of my hair. Like, but more specifically, what I should do is like, what I should do is like, I should take a razor, start from my sideburn, and just go like that, and have like the opposite reciprocal of a mohawk. Right down the middle of my head. Not that funny. I feel like it's been done before. You know what else is massive? Probably my seeping hatred towards you. My unrelenting rage. I mean, what? I mean, what? Yeah. My mom so sad. I think I will actually save. And chatting overlay. I actually wonder if that would work. I should want to see real quick. If I go to image, whatever doesn't matter. Doesn't find it. But I can't do PSD files. So I wonder if I can just, instead of saving, oh no, this is so sad. I think I just realized something. If instead of doing that, just save as, saving as Krita, I'd probably just save it as a PSD, delete the original Krita file. I think that would work, honestly. Because it worked the last time, I think. For whatever reason, PSD files just work. Oh, it actually did work, huh? Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. Let me fix chat first. There we go. That's fine. Just add in. That's right. Wow, look at that. Why? Don't worry about it. But, yeah, welcome to my beautiful new overlay. Enjoy. Alright, so I guess we can probably just go over. So I should probably fix my intermission. I kind of just did this as a joke, but like to be fair, I really do like it. I do like my little intermission. This was like the first intermission I ever made, and I just left it like it because it was like such a funny little thing. Like what the fuck is this? A side of fruit. I think was it, if I remember correctly, I actually did the writing with a mouse and the drawing. This. Anger is real. Oh yeah, that's what this little creature is. What I'm looking at right now. It's my favorite little creature. His name's Penger. He's a cool guy. I should probably do one more thing, but I don't know what to start with. Because I do have... Chatting is good. Main, I feel like, is what I care about most, because that's what most people are going to be seeing. Starting is, well, literally hand animated. Pain and suffering. I think what I might do for like transitions. Why are you telling me this? I don't care. I actually don't care. The intermission I love. I don't know what it is about the intermission specifically that's like so funny to me, but like it's just so great. I do need to animate all that. You're not gonna believe what we were talking about earlier. I'm pretty sure Nico talked to you about it too, which is also funny. A low taper fade. Low taper fade. Sorry, I'm a neck stiff right now. Because I'm pretty sure I can do animation. No. actually can do animation. I can tell. I can tell. You guys. Well, I think he mentioned it earlier. What I don't know what's good animation software, and I've never once used. I never once used what is it called? A Krita for animation. So I think what I might do. I don't know, do you guys know any you guys know any animation software? Software, Linux. There's a lot more. Needs to be more specific. 2D animation. So I'm just like reading something right now. Krita, okay. Everyone's saying Krita is like the best thing to do, so I guess I'm just gonna figure out how. I'm gonna figure out how animation works right now. My friend owed me $400. I'm sorry. So, this is what I'm looking at right now. I have no idea what any of this is. Are you gonna like gonna get it back? Oh, there we go. Okay, that actually makes more sense. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, that actually is interesting. I didn't know that. That would work. I actually do like the way they do animation layers, but I'm only gonna do and also. So if I insert keyframe. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I see how animation works now. This is a little weird to me. Of course, it's been 5 years. You still owe me a Coke. Wait, am I going crazy right now? Why? Put the mouse over. I have no idea. I wouldn't be surprised if it is Kirby. Again, I just haven't played a random playlist playing. frame rates, I'm telling you. Told me the frame rate is not doing that. Oh, frame rate 24. Right. So with keyframe, I'm going to for fraction. Here. Oh. Right here. Football. The onion man working. And then, wait, is it another keyframe? I don't believe it. So, keyframe. Is the onion wet layer not working? I have no idea if this is correct right now. Football. Onion layer is not working. I don't know why. It's annoying. Alright, Google, be my friend. That, there we go. Let's get that. The onion skin is trying to see. Here we go. Right, I think what I might do is actually edit this new image. This one. And AP isn't even in here. What the hell is this? This was cream. The create. Checking out what it's going, at the animation, make sure your twin layer set up, we have a new layer with this walk style. If you select the create in blank frame, you can replace the M with it. Okay, it's kind of funny. Alright, so I'm going to do what is that? 2 transplant layers. That's good. Yeah. And then I'm going to add some skull guy. This doesn't add. Blank frame, that's what I want to do. Okay. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Is that true? No. He's lying to you. He actually is just doing this to make you feel bad. Oh, wow. Wop. Did they say possibly for that? The layer will be dropped and we're going to be here since we want to preserve certain duplicate frame layer. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not doing that unfortunately, so I have to do a little somewhere and then added August. Or actually, no, I should probably. And then add in another one. Frame layer. Oh, actually, no, I don't want to. I want a blank frame layer. Yeah, the onion layer is not working for whatever reason. Is this a, oh, there's literally a button for that. I didn't even notice it. Did this thing be spoiled? Oh, the light. Oh. This is so one of those like funny I came up with. What comes after an MP4 file? Ah, it's funny. So that got me giggling. Why is it not? Oh. What the hell is this? Oh, that's why. That was my fault. Wrong separate list. Also, was destroying his face. Bro was not happy. Let's delete this. And that's it. There we go. Okay, so now I... Not funny, didn't laugh. Could have been better, honestly. You could have actually been a lot funnier, but you weren't, so you should probably like feel bad about yourself. Wait, what? Yeah, why didn't the button work? Why is the button not working? I don't know how long this will do the animation will probably. If it's gonna take too long, I'll just won't finish it. Oh no, what am I doing? What is Aviator doing? Why is Microsoft Edge trying to write data to robot files? This is Microsoft. I just made 2 Rage Rumors. How are you still not banned from this channel? Probably gonna need to add in like additional things, but I just see how it works. The speeding bullet. Tall guy just slowly crashes into your screen, giving a jump scare to any new viewer. I probably should have been build tool, honestly, in a minute. Usually you're supposed to have a separate layer, but like since it's so, yes, like it's like a really small like, not a problem. Danny new and old, be real. For real. I really should have a separate layer for that. Oh, whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna do like a little funny thing. I can do that. Okay, nice. Gonna have the outline turn black. The outline turn black. The size of this. actually not a bad idea on my part. Like, to be fair, I actually try to draw. I'm not like, I'm no professional, but like, just fun activity I like doing. Should probably take it a little more seriously, honestly. Like, don't. I think that might just be a flaw in my character. Bruh. Maybe we should ban Barn for existing. I thought we did already. Also, like, it's not about memorizing stuff. You just need, like, better workflow. So the more you do it, it'll just become muscle memory rather than just memorizing it. And I can't believe you actually banned them. Good job. I will actually. What I will do actually is I will make a duplicate thing, and I will redraw it. That. Why is it doing this to me now? What the fuck am I reading? Guess for like a couple more frames, he's just gonna. We are either one loud. You're the one loud house because I actually have, yeah. If you don't know what Starborn is talking about, someone decided to write fan fiction, which is very funny because the prior world record holder for the longest piece of media written, it was like Smash Brothers fan fiction. But then some, like, autistic basement-dwelling creature proceeded to make fanfiction for the Loud House. And it is, I don't remember how long it is, but okay, so as of 2020, apparently, As of 2020, apparently 3 years ago, this was posted 5 years ago. This was posted 5 years ago, and apparently 3 years ago, it kept updating. It is now 15 million words. This was as of 2022. What else you should do? Sure, let's just name it. Yeah, it will be easier to do that. Eat sleep a week. What a nerd. Couldn't be me. What the hell? Why is it red? Oh no, it's black. There we go, okay. I think if I turn off the onion layer now. Yeah, if I turn it off. I mean, yeah, okay, I don't need sleep, I need ABR to stream real. So this is a fun part, so I can just copy keyframes. Now I can paste keyframes. Welcome to the world of animation, boys and girls. Why? Sorry. Turn it off. Wait. Pin him on that. Turn it off. Okay, it is correct. I think I should probably do it for one more frame. Copy. Because I don't want to do it for too long. You would only use a stinger. So then I'm gonna add frames over here. It's blank. Also it's blank. Yeah, blank as well. I want to make sure I don't have a background when I do this. And turn on my onion layer again, so I'm looking at it. I know it looks weird, but bear with, it's fine. Oh, that controls the... What? Okay then. Alright. I'm gonna... you might go? That's fair. And what if I change some settings? Nope, never mind. Whatever, it's fine. Little wand. No. K? I think it'll be fine if I just do everything around it. And then I'm just going to go back to this one. Brush tool. There we go. The role of animation is fun. I love repetitive nature. It's great. The funniest part is I think I probably would have been able to teach someone how to do animation. But no, instead of teaching a kid how to do make a podcast now. Yeah, for work. Now they have teaching a kid for podcasts. Hopefully. I didn't get anything back yet, but one of the coordinators, let me have to check my Slack channel. This is actually very important, so I should probably do that. Well, never got anything back, so probably no. So sad. Anyway. Oh wait, it wasn't 20, what was it then? That's not bad. Looking up. So now it's falling. So actually, what I will do before I end that. Oh, it automatically hit me. I was looking for it, which probably wasn't. I cannot tell you why. I don't know where this is from. Oh, this literally is Naruto music. I don't have an idea. Just gonna listen to Valhalla OST. No, we're listening to Valhalla OST now. Oh, right, forgot. Oh, the drawing tablet is very unique on Linux because it's automatically set up to where, depending on where your mouse is, it will just activate the drawing tablet. which I do like a lot actually, so I don't have to do any configuration. Also, to be fair, I don't think I've ever heard of plug and play with Linux, but hey, whatever, I'm not going to complain. Go. Should probably just say these eventually. I don't know why I haven't already. There we go. Good. Uh-huh. Good, I did that. The hell is this? Why did it do that? Oh. Right. Excuse me? Oh, right, eat. Why is it doing this now? Wait, now it fixed itself? What? Thank you. There we go. Right. Oh wait, no, I need to lower it. I would have actually panicked. Oh, wait, I can just... That actually worked, okay. Wait. It's the wrong one. Why is it making a new layer? I don't understand. This is actually really stupid. Or, I guess... Okay, I guess there's something in filling where, whatever. Yeah, do that. What? I just redrew over it. Oh, that's a better idea. No, pretend that layer isn't there, it's fine. It's actually one. It's not what I... Alright. I don't think I've watched a Gianni in forever. Oh my gosh. My girlfriend just took the practice exam for the MCAT, and now she's... I can only imagine this. If you don't know what it is, it's obviously it's a test you take for becoming a doctor, like an actual physician, and it's like a 7-hour exam, and she just took a practice exam today. It's in 2 parts, and she's taking the other part tomorrow. I don't know how she's doing it. I believe her. Just don't like how the layer selection works in this program. It's fine. I do not like. That's fine. I'm just gonna do a filling. And then I'm just going to look how the animation looks, see how it looks, and then probably end it there, and then I'll do refinement like another day, I think. Here. Starting to be off the screen now. And the filling here. You have to forget that we go into Flare. I don't like that. It's like the one thing I actually just don't like about this. This is, other than that, this is a fine animation program. Thank you. Which is apparently made by the KDE Foundation. I didn't know that. Which is the desk environment I'm using right now. Am I crazy right now? Did I? Oh my god. Then the filling layer by mistake. No. No more. Is it? Blank layer. And blank layer. Alright, let's watch it from the beginning. Okay. Alright, so obviously I do need to make some adjustments. I figured it wasn't going to be as smooth, but you have to remember it is literally a 24 frame animation. It's 24 frames a second. So obviously it's going to be longer. I should probably add in an additional frame over here. So I probably realistically, what I could do is remove frames. Remove frames. Remove frames. Probably look a lot better, I do need to. I'm actually going to leave space here so I can remember to add frames later. So 5. That actually looks a lot better already. Wee. This is fine actually, which is kind of funny. Remove frames. Remove frames. So now, from the beginning, I do probably, by looks of it, I do need to add in a little bit of extra frames of animation. Not even just here, but like when he's flying in, I think that'll benefit from like an additional, like, I'd say like 4 frames. And here he falls down a little too quickly, so I think what I might do is I might revamp some of it, and where he's like, he stumbles back and forth before falling. So like literally, describe it would literally just be him stepping back and then just falling. Realistically, I could probably just record a video of myself doing that. So I think it'll be a little easier to animate. Oh yeah, by the way, if you ever want to get into animation, good way to start. I just realized that is way too low. Yeah, by the way, if you ever want to get into animation, tracing yourself is a pretty good way to start. I'm not even saying this as a joke. Tracing other people's work is fucked up. But like, if you can train yourself, you can just trace yourself. No one's gonna be mad at you if you do that. Especially for movement. I think, what's it called? Also, it's another way of animation called rotoscoping, which is it's fucking insane. I don't know how people did it back in the day, but now it's pretty easier because there's like software to do it. Overall, I think what we did here is okay. I will go back. I will come back and finish this. I probably will need to record myself just stumbling. I do need to add in like a couple more frames, but I feel like the speed where it's going at is fine. I do like the idea he just comes in from the side and just splats on the screen and just falls backwards. I think the falling down animation's okay. I don't know. It could be better. It could be better. I don't know. I'm not I'm no like fucking perfect animator here. #1 amateur animator alive, if I can say so myself, because mostly everything's like self-taught. I have what's the word? I have taken an animation class back in high school, but like that didn't really teach me like drawing animation. So like everything I'm doing now is everything everything I've taught myself right now. It's gonna take time for me to get used to it. I might just redo the entire thing if I really don't like it, but I think what I have now is okay. I do need some more practice, obviously. But besides that, I think next stream. I'm not sure when I'm gonna have it, but hopefully it's gonna be much sooner than last time. No, it is off. It is off. Because well, pause it now. I'm gonna tell you what I need to do. So I'm also gonna turn off onion layers real quick. All right, so basically, I need to add in like an additional like couple frames, like additional frame here, additional frame here, additional frame here, and like 2 more frames until here. I need to add additional 2 more frames till here. And here I need to add in, I want to say, I think 3 frames where it actually switches across. This was more or less just a, what is it called? A concept rather than the actual thing. Also, I don't know why I really don't know why I did this. I'm just gonna remove. Yeah, because that was pretty fucking stupid. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So, what I want to do is, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an additional frame where he literally just starts up, where his face start. Why is it not black? I don't know. His face literally just starts molding into the frame itself. So I guess it just shows like death. And then it will like splat like that. This is actually probably the funniest part. This is actually perfectly fine, which is so funny. They don't tell you about this in animation, but like, sorry, you don't see this in animation, but like what a lot of animators do to hide, I don't want to say laziness, but just hide some things, is just by doing this, making one frame, making another frame, then copy and pasting it. Because it will make it feel like they're more alive. Then after that, I need to do what I mentioned over here, and reverse it, and then it'll go down. I think I did an okay job, so I don't think I need to add too many more frames here. So then it goes here, here. He falls down a little too quickly, I think. Because again, I think I should make him like stumbling, and if I like have a video of me like doing that, I think it'd be easier to pull off. I mean, for the sake of it, I actually wonder if I could import video animation. Okay, never mind. I actually can. Is it actually? Yes. It actually allows me to do that. Okay, never mind. So it's gonna be a little easier than I thought. But that is it for now. If you like what you saw, please consider liking the stream. If you didn't, I apologize. Also, subscribe to me now. I'm not asking anymore. You need to subscribe to me now. And I'm probably just gonna save it. Chatting. New finger. Save. But in all seriousness, if you really did like what you saw, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one, which will hopefully be much sooner than the time frame I had. I'm sorry. I'm a busy man. Life tends to get in the way. Other than that, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Big ol' adios, gamers. Wow.